Yo, YouTube, what is up? Today I am back with a brand new video. Now today I'm here with my first ever cop from FTP. Now this is from the drop before the last drop, before the collab that they did with Babylon. Now I've copped pieces from both drops. Now the first drop I had missed out on, that was the Pro Clubs drop, and it came out with like some glow tees and everything like that. Now I missed out on all the good stuff. By the time I got home, the only tees that were still up were the women tees, which I thought were pretty dope pieces. So I grabbed the rare one in particular to go with my red cement 3s, because I've yet to wear them really, and I just thought it'd be a cool tee to wear them with. But let's get into it. So like I was saying, this was my first ever cop from FTP. Now I was expecting like a sticker or something cool, which I didn't get with this order, but I'm okay with that because I think I had got stickers with my FTP Babylon stuff that I have yet to unbox yet. I'm gonna do that tomorrow, and I'm gonna have that video up as soon as I'm done with all my other videos. I'm kind of running behind the schedule, but let's get into the tee. Now this material that they're using, I hear, is different from the previous drops and the previous blanks that they've been using, and they switched it up a little bit. And I hear a lot of people saying that they are a little bit thinner, but they pretty much feel the same almost. Then I hear some people complaining about it and saying it's a bad thing and that they're trying to cut costs. But honestly, to me, the t-shirt feels pretty good. It feels great. It feels better than all the crappy, shitty Gildan tees that I get from artist merch. Ha! But I really enjoy this tee a lot, man. And I just think it's such a dope piece, and I'm really looking forward to copping more FTP pieces. And it's generally affordable for me, and it's pretty good prices on resale. Like, resales are really reasonable. It's not like smack you over the head prices if you miss out on something. Like, you can easily get something from like the previous drop for like the price that you would have paid for shipping, and then like a little $5 tax or something like that, or $10 tax, which is nothing, because I mean it was like 20, I want to say like 28 or something like that for the shirt. Then the shipping came out to like a good like $4 or $5 or something like that, and the tee was shipped out really cheap. And I like that about FTP. That is affordable. Now I know that is a big problem with the bots and everything, and I don't really know if it was so bad for this drop in particularly, but I know for the last drop, the Babylon drop, that a lot of people were having trouble getting onto the site, and I'll talk more about that in my next video. But this tee overall to me is pretty good. It's pretty good. It's pretty durable. It doesn't feel like it's a cheap tee that's gonna just like diminish once you wash it. No, this feels like something that you can actually have around for a couple years. So I really appreciate the quality. I think the printing on it looks good. I think the drawing on it is pretty dope. Now I know some people are, really weird about this tee, and they have like certain things to say about it and the drawing and the art form, and that's because that the tee was previously supposed to have another graphic on it, but they couldn't get the licensing cleared, or the artist didn't agree to them using it, so they had to scrap that idea and create a new one, which I think where a lot of the negativity comes from for this tee. But I see a lot of people in the subreddit saying that this is a good piece and that they're really happy with it. And I'm one of those people. I'm really happy with this shirt, and it's pretty dope. And I want to say thanks for everyone watching the videos and everything, and thank you for checking out the channel. Now if you're looking for more FTP content, I will be unboxing stuff from the Babylon drop also. and I will be bringing more content that is not FTP related, but it'll just be like artist merch and different brands that I've been copping from. But the shipping took about, I want to say, a week. Yep, it took about a week. Took them like 2 or 3 days to get everything processed and shipped out, and then like within the next 2 days after that, I received the shirt. And honestly, their shipping has been amazing. This has been like the best shipping I've ever received from any clothing company. You know, I got so used to like waiting a month for pieces from Revenge and stuff like that at times. So it's really good that I can like get my tee like a week after I've ordered it or something like that. And that's really dope to me. And that's one thing that I'll always like applaud FTP for, is their shipping time and just the way that they handle things. And it's real professional, and I don't rarely hear about anyone having shipping problems with them, whereas Revenge is like always someone talking about that. But yeah, that's just a little note I wanted to add in to the video before I ended it. But thank you, and drop a like, subscribe, comment. All your feedback is very helpful, and all your engagement is very helpful to the channel. It helps this video get seen more. And I just want to say thank you for clicking on the video and checking it out, and check out my other videos also if you don't mind. And I'll be bringing more dope content to this channel. Just stay tuned, you guys. Thanks. Have a great day. Peace out.